My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called Nood, N-O-O-D. By the way, this is the ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their hard drives. This ransomware is called Nood because it encrypts files and then appends a special Nood extension to the file names, and then it is impossible to use the files. So my video, however, is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. You can clearly see that before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Nood ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware Nood encrypts the files and appends a special Nood extension. Then the ransomware reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that a special ransom has to be paid for file recovery. But paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee that the files would be restored if you pay the ransom. So do not waste your money. Do not pay the ransom. Very soon, users see the consequences of the ransomware's attack, and they are no longer able to use the files. The ransomware encrypts files and then reveals a special ransom indicating that the ransom needs to be paid. But you should not pay the ransom and you should not waste your money. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to do the following. First of all, I recommend you to scan your computer with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Go to the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install the software, and then start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button, and most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. After the antivirus database gets successfully updated, the scanning will then begin. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the infections. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats, of course, can be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license, and premium license will help you to effectively get rid of all other types of threats. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove the ransomware and it helps to protect the data, but Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt the files. Anyway, upgrade to premium and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.